Meet Ropet. Imagine a pet like no other. Ropet is the world's most advanced AI robotic pet, created with one purpose: to be your one and only love.
Hello, what's your name?
My name is Kamimi. I'm here to be your cute and friendly companion.
It loves nothing more than to curl up in your arms.
Imagine a pet that never needs feeding, never sheds fur, and always listens to you. Meet Ropet, the next generation AI robot pet that's smart, interactive, and incredibly adorable. But is it the future of companionship or just a high-tech gimmick? Let's find out. So, what exactly is Ropet? Well, it's an AI-driven robotic pet designed to mimic real pet behavior, without the mess or responsibility. Whether you're looking for a futuristic pet or a fun tech companion, Ropet is here to impress with its lifelike movements, intelligent responses, and deep learning capabilities. First off, let's talk about the design. Ropet looks sleek and futuristic, almost like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. It has expressive LED eyes that change based on its mood, a soft-touch exterior for a more pet-like feel, and compact sizing, making it perfect for small spaces. Plus, it's lightweight and portable, so you can take it anywhere. Now here's where things get really interesting. It's AI. Ropet uses advanced machine learning to adapt to its owner's behavior. It recognizes voice commands, responds to touch, and even follows hand gestures. The more you interact with it, the smarter it gets. Plus, it comes with pre-programmed games and interactive modes to keep things fun and engaging. Unlike other robotic pets that feel, well, robotic, Ropet has an emotional intelligence system. It reacts differently based on how you treat it. Ignore it for too long? It might get sad. Give it attention? It'll show excitement. This makes interactions feel more natural and lifelike, almost like having a real pet. What about battery life? Ropet lasts about 6 to 8 hours on a single charge, and it conveniently docks itself when the battery runs low. Plus, it connects to an app that lets you customize behaviors, track interactions, and even teach it new tricks. Alright, let's break it down with the pros and cons. Pros: highly interactive and intelligent. Expressive LED eyes with lifelike emotions. Voice and gesture. Recognition. Portable and low maintenance. Fun for kids and adults. Cons: no real fur or texture for those who prefer lifelike pets. May feel repetitive over time for some users. Pricey compared to traditional robotic toys. So, is Ropet worth it? If you love AI gadgets, futuristic tech, and the idea of a robotic pet that interacts like a real one, then absolutely. It's a fantastic blend of entertainment and companionship. But if you're looking for something to fully replace a real pet, it might not quite get there yet. What do you think? Would you get a robot pet like Ropet? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome AI tech reviews. See you in the next one.
Can you tell me a joke?
Sure. Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything. Ha ha ha.
I failed at the driving test and I feel sad now. Can you do something?
Don't worry. Driving tests can be nervous. The little rabbit happily entered the door and found itself in a place where there were no more worries or troubles. It hopped around happily, playing and having a great time.